Ukraine is moving closer to becoming a member of NATO, according to the alliance's Secretary General. As Russia pressed its advantage on the battlefield in Ukraine, NATO members met in Washington to mark the 75th anniversary of the world's biggest security organization. The summit will focus on ways to reassure Ukraine of NATO's enduring support and offer hope to its war-weary citizens.
To invite a new ally, we need consensus. All allies agree that Ukraine will become a member, but it's too early to say exactly when that will happen. What I can say is that we are moving together with Ukraine closer and closer to NATO membership.
At the summit, US President Joe Biden announced that Ukraine will receive additional air defense systems from its allies, including Patriot systems. However, Ukraine will not receive an invitation to join the alliance. Instead, NATO is offering Ukraine an irreversible path to membership, according to the Lithuanian President Gitanas Nausėda.
Dėl Ukrainos sutarta tiek, kad tekste bus atspindėta negrįžtamumo principas, kad Ukrainos integracija į NATO yra negrįžtamas procesas ir kad tai yra savotiškas tiltas iš dabartinės situacijos į būsimą narystę. Žinoma,
if agreed upon, the promise wouldn't make a huge leap from an agreement at a NATO summit last year, when allies agreed to be in a position to extend an invitation when the right conditions were met.